Hey guys, what's up? So today we're back with another video. Here we're gonna be downloading Minecraft. I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So basically all you want to do, go into the description, click on the mega file link, or I will also provide another link. You guys can click whichever one floats your boat. They're both gonna lead you to the mega file. So all you want to do is just, once you got in the file, it's going to be in a 7-zip folder. You want to download 7-zip if you don't have it, or Winrar, or any extracting software. So once you've extracted it, which is going to be right here, there's going to be a folder. Inside the folder, there's going to be a setup.exe file. You want to run as administrator. You're going to have a pop-up on the other side. You're going to have a pop-up. In this case, it was on the other side of my screen. And then I got another pop-up. Now it's telling me to set up. Alright guys, just give me one moment. I'm about to switch my screen. Alright guys, so now I'm on my other screen. It does look a little bit big. I hope it doesn't. I don't know. My other monitor is kind of big, so it doesn't really fit onto the screen recorder. And also I wouldn't want to just make a little window for you guys, because I want you guys to be able to see this. So anyways, let's open up that folder again. Let's run it as administrator. You want to press the English unless you speak another language. Let's get rid of that music. Press next. If you like to read, go ahead. Now the setup, I'm just gonna keep it in my D drive. Create this stuff. You want to do that, just press install, let that baby girl install, and I'll be right back once it's finished installing. Alright, so now I have finished with this. So all you want to do is just press finish, then just let everything run and compress. It's 332 files, so just give it a sec, my friends. Alright, so it looks like everything is finished. So all you want to... Gosh, no. Alright, so all you want to do is just exit. You want to accept so it can download DirectX for you, unless you already have it installed. In this case, I'm just gonna continue installing. Press finish. As you guys can see, I already had it installed. Just remove it. Alright, fine, let's just repair it. Okie dokie, so now the game is up. Let me just get out of that. Launch the game. Ew. Boom. ¿Qué es esto? Oh yeah. Is this Minecraft? Click to begin. Is everyone having a good day today? Alright, let's press play. Alright, so I'm pretty sure. Let's just exit. I don't really know how to play. What's this, TTG account? Alright, so let's just create an account.
Okay. Let's go have some fun.
Alright, so I don't know how to switch between worlds. Where stuff like that, but I believe that everything is set and ready to go. Now, if you guys are gonna be having any problems, please let me know. I'm always here for you, baby girl. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this game. Remember, if you like it, buy it. Also, my friends, listen, created a Discord server, check it out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this game. I'm gonna bounce. Hopefully, I'll see you guys again later. Also want to let you guys know that